Hi! Welcome to the Craft Nugget. I'm going to show you how I paint birds using watercolor. Let's start! Using the lightest yellow that I have, I'm going to paint one layer of yellow for the feathers on the top of its head. For blending watercolor, like under the bird's wing, I paint a solid color, then I clean my brush and I drag the color down to blend it evenly. Make sure to use a stippling motion and to wipe off the excess water from your brush while blending. Then I use the same technique for the bird's tail. Then, using Payne's Gray, I'm going to paint the beak by adding a wash of color. Then I add the second wash to create shadows. Don't paint over the parts where you want it to be highlighted. Then, using the same color and the same technique, I'm going to paint the bird's feet. It might seem hard to paint white birds, but it's easy as long as you follow your reference photo. You don't need to use white paint. You can just use black paint to create the shadows. You can use the blending technique that I showed you earlier to avoid harsh lines from the dark color. It's better to dilute your black paint with water first to create a lighter shade. I use this blending technique to make the feathers look soft and defined and to add value to the painting. can add more shadows to the rest of the tail and outline the details. And then I paint the background of my bird, which is a protea plant. I will have a separate video for painting flowers, so stay tuned for that. Lastly, I draw the details for the protea plant. Then, using a little white paint, I'm going to add details to the eyes and the highlights on the beak. And finally, the details on the bird's nails. And we're done! If you want to try this painting at home, just comment down below and I will send you a printable copy. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!